Ever wondered how to do this?
Well, this is what we call a split screen video. You can do this two different ways, where the video is playing down below or the video is playing next to you on your side, either the left or right.
Let me teach you how easy it is to do on CapCut. Hi and welcome back to day 80 of 100 social media tips. What we want to do is first create a new project on CapCut. I will select my video here and then I will cut it up into what I want it to be. So let me just cut this together. So first what you want to do is import the additional video you want on your split screen. So I'm going to pick this subway surfers here. You can do this to make your video more engaging, to grab the audience attention, or if you're reacting to a certain content and want the video or demonstration down below. Now we have our two clips here, but they aren't in a split screen. What I want to do is click the video and scroll through the bottom until we see overlay. Then I can see that my video is down below on another layer. Next, what I want to do is actually mute this clip audio. I will click my video, click transform, click resize to adjust how big or small it is. I'm going to make this 1 by 1 and then click save and then move this down below. Same with this one, we can resize it as such. So this first version, you can see that the video is playing down below, and this other version, I will show you how to put on the side. So in the same instance, what you want to do is split this again, go back into transform, actually shrink this and put this onto the side that you want it. So let's just say it's here. And then if we click our video layer and we can size and make this just so that they're more even. And then I can do this the same function here and just move this one to the left and move this one to the right. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.